JP Heath from ACT Church of Sweden, and this afternoon I'm sitting with Peter Burgess from India. You're an Inarella ambassador, and you've been engaged with HIV work over an extended period of time. But more recently, you've been working on HIV in youth and adolescents. Can you share some of that work with us?
Yes, the reason why I focused exclusively my work on HIV and adolescent is because what I realized that it's the first time in the history of the epidemic that we are seeing survivors, children who are born with HIV surviving up till adolescent, and so far we don't have evidence-based programs which has been successful and which we can adapt with regard to adolescent living with HIV, especially when it comes to mental health. So that's been one of the biggest area identified by us, and we are trying to work on various strategies and what can be adapted or what best practices we can learn from other countries and other programs, and we can adapt them in India. So we have the program is based in Goa with extension in neighboring districts of Maharashtra and Karnataka. Now the whole program aims to build resilience among adolescents living with HIV. So psychosocial support is one of our main component where we try to address the whole gap of mental health. Second big aspect is social protection. We believe that that can help to build resilience and also address the various issues surrounding the condition in which our adolescents are living. The third big very important issue for us is treatment adherence. So we try and use various strategies like treatment buddies, and wherein two peers connect to each other, they remind them about taking treatment and things like that. So apart from that, we also believe that there is a need to get them together because we work in a community-based setting, not an institutional setting. So there is a need for them to get together, so that over a period of 5 days, 6 days, where we engage them in a residential camp, and we try speaking about various issues which matters to them.
This is an area that is so infrequently talked about. And when we talk about the focus that we should have on HIV, mostly the work that we are doing with youth and adolescents, particularly those living with HIV, doesn't enjoy the same focus. If you have to give us one challenge, what is it?
One of the biggest challenge I face, because there is countrywide as well as statewide, there is no data disaggregated so that we know that this many adolescents are living with HIV throughout the country. Even the medical ART treatment tracks adolescent from 15 to 49 age group. So that's not the way we could get a fair picture of how our program should be designed and implemented.
We're living in a world where HIV has been seen as an aging issue. And yet we live in a world where youth and adolescents born with HIV are now surviving into adulthood. There are complex issues that we haven't even begun to think of. Mental health and social support is one of them. We need to design programs that address these issues.